Vagabond sa Cebu.
Next stop, we're going to ride. Going to the hotel. So, see you at the hotel, guys. Sixth floor. Sixth floor. He's going to sixth floor. So, ganda guys. So, my room is 6007. 6007. 610, 69, 68, 6007. Here it is. 6007.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello. Hey. Sorry. Thank you. Try. Here it is. Oops. Lights. We need some lights. Shoo. Yeah. 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 We are here. I'm here, guys. I'm gonna do later a room tour. For now, I'm here inside the hotel. Hey, thank you so much. Hello everyone. I'm in Cebu right now, and for today's video, guys, I'm going to tour you to my room, my hotel room in Savoy, Mactan, New Town, Cebu City. So I have a card here. 6007. So here it is. Yeah. This is my room, guys. So I'm going to lock the door first and put here some card. There. And this is my room. Here it is. As you see here, there's bathtub, 2 bathtub, safe, and the slippers with a hanger. They have blower. You can also have here the heater, and if you want some coffee, they have coffee, brown sugar, and creamer. So there they have the mini refrigerator or chiller, so you can store your drinks there. And this is the bed, guys. 2 bed. I'm alone here, so but I have 2 beds. I will jump there, jump here, jump here, jump there. Yeah. So here at the side, they have this one. Of course, they always have this Holy Bible and the telephone. You have the remote for the TV, and you can also order the drinks there. It's written there what you gotta order, but it's a little bit pricey, yeah. The yellow and the blue. That's my things. I travel very light only, so pack bag and bag. And you can put some things here. You have your mini table, and you have your chair. Outside, you have a view like this. I've been here last year. Last 2 years. 2 years. So soon we will going to tour you to the beach front. This Savoy has a beach front, so we're going to tour you there. And of course, they have a pool also located downstairs. Oh, there's a guy pa there. Why are you so malungkot, kuya? Kuya is there. Oh. Malungkot na malungkot. Is malungkot. Why kuya is malungkot? Oh my god, I have the headphones pa here. Tanggalin ang headphones. And of course, the bathroom area. I forgot na the bathroom area, but that's my bed. to here. Try toilet. This one, they have toothpaste, toothbrush, and your shower area. So they have also shampoo, and this is soap bar, paste, and toothbrush. The mirror. So yeah, the Mactan New Town. Mayroon siyang fountain. Mactan New Town fountain. Yun na. Yan na. Shoot. McDonald's. Che is here at the Mactan New Town. The Mactan New Town. She is now here at the Mactan New Town with the fountain. Hello everyone. Hello. Hihi, gumala mag-isa. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Mwah. Bye bye.